We're 2 days deep in the Colorado high country, and the mountains have already tested us. Boulder Mountain demanded commitment, an off-camber, rock-riddled exposure that left no room for doubt. We traversed the Baldwin Lake Basin and pushed high above treeline once again with a towering section of switchbacks. Finally, we descended between Mount White and Mount Chavano towards Browns Lake. Tonight, we settle into the basin surrounded by granite, sky, and silence. We take in the calm and relish the cool tranquility of Colorado's delicate forest, because next, we turn our sights towards the summit of Mt Antero.
Listen, seems you're caught up in the wind, yeah. So turn around. Where'd you go, my friend, my friend? Was that feeling creeping from high, red out on Table Mountain sky? You're falling in and out of place, meant to slow down, take your time. Your time, your time, oh, your time, your time, oh, your time. So girl of mine, not just saying you got it right this time. You come back down, stay away from those power lines. Moon's still not above you, say. What makes this moon sway, you know. Mercury's a retrograde, feel it in your soul, you say, I know. I know, I know, oh, I know. I know, I know, oh, I know. Day 3.
Yeah, feeling pretty good. Just waking up here at Browns Lake. Had a really nice campsite down by this little river.
This trail system's pretty cool. It's kind of unique. There's a lot of shelf roads. It's beautiful out here. The valleys and the views are just absolutely spectacular.
Nice to be able to be in the collegiate peaks and to be able to just re-experience these ranges. Like in the morning when the sun hits the side of these mountains, it's spectacular.
I got to do a little fly fishing with Trent last night.
The last couple days, we've been running the Antero system out here with Trails Off-Road. We have ran pretty much everything, and we've got 2 trails left to go.
If you've been toying with the idea about getting out and experiencing Colorado, one of the best things you can do is get a good guide. So in this case, we used Trails Off-Road, which has been critical. It's been amazing. There's so much information that it's been given us, and without it, especially if you're new, my gosh, this is an essential tool to have. It'll get you to places like this.
You may often say, find a stopping place, go put on your happy face film. Did you sign your life away? Are you still working for the man? The man, the man, oh the man. The man, the man, oh the man.
The peaks are so steep and high, and being in this bowl, having a little creek run by, it's pretty magical.
I up the third verse, I forgot it. Miss Lucy, man, seems you're caught up in the wind, yeah. So turn around. When you go, my friend, my friend. Is that feeling creeping from behind, right out on the Table Mountain sky? You're falling in and out of place, meant to slow down and take time. Your time, your time, oh your time. My truck still says 36. That can't be right.
43 here.
Yeah, mine's reading 37.
Maybe it's right.
I think it got down to like 35, 32 last night. It was almost freezing.
It was 35 when I woke up.
Call that the limit of the Rest Easy sleep system by Roof Nest.
Yeah, Boone and I were straight in the sleeping bag together, spooning. The Boone Spoon. Toad and Beans. I need to make you a sticker for your Jeep that just says Toad and Beans.
I just want to point out, even with all the interviews and everything, I did get us out of camp this morning by 8 a.m. So I'm feeling pretty good about that.
You did great. Aren't you glad I set the 6 a.m. goal?
So there's a little bit of a rock obstacle here, nothing too crazy. There's somewhat of a bypass around it, but with this tree right here, and there's a couple boulders, it might honestly be more difficult to take the bypass, but you know, a couple little boulders right here, you can just kind of flex right up through them. So we're gonna run this and see how we do.
It might be a little much for this rig on 32s, but we're gonna try it. 32s open. Let's see. Yeah, man, that was, I guess sometimes it's better to be lucky than good.
Are you still working for the man? The man, oh the man. The man, oh the man.
So one of our concerns today is definitely fuel level. We haven't really covered too many miles out here in this trip, but we've been running for 3 days, and with the filming and everything else, it's been pretty slow going. So we're definitely burning some gas. But you know, I'm sitting just under half a tank. I think Trent's at a half a tank. And Glenn's a little under. Blake, he's got a 6.4 Hemi in his rig, so he's probably the lowest. When we were coming downhill last night, he got pretty concerned about it. He was looking at about a quarter of a tank, which is not what we want to be starting trails at. So we're monitoring his rig pretty close. After he sat on level ground for a little bit, he kind of popped back up to more into the, you know, a third, closer to a half kind of mark, which should be enough to get him down the trail. And he trailered his rig out, so he's just got to get to the bottom is all he's got to do, and he'll be good to go. So yeah, fuel's definitely an issue. Keeping an eye on it though, so we'll see what it's looking like up the top. I'll talk to him and we'll make a determination. We kind of talked through a couple different strategies of what we're gonna do if he's too low, but yeah, we'll make it work one way or the other. We're gonna get off the trail.
Normally I like to cook a little breakfast before I leave camp, but we were trying to get going early to beat the weather to the top of Antero. And so Blake's cooking breakfast this morning, and the way he's cooking it is a little unconventional. Blake, how are you cooking breakfast for us this morning?
Oh, hey guys. Yeah, so we're cooking breakfast on the hot floor of my Jeep. Just
Let's see your grill.
there's the grill right
Like-
there. Just straight to the metal.
Oh yeah. Cook them up real nice. Alright guys, welcome back to the top here. So we're gonna take a right here. We're gonna link back up with this Antero Trail and continue all the way to the summit. We just crested over the top of Browns Lakes Trail and got back to the Antero Trail system, and we're gonna start making our way to the top. This is basically from here, pretty short and straight ascent all the way to the summit. So yeah, it's gonna get shelf roady again. Camber to the cliffside. Love that. We just finished up here at the top of the Antero Trail system, and man, was it epic. These shelf roads and these views are surely an iconic part of Colorado you don't want to miss. So if you want to learn more about this trail or any of the thousands of trails across North America, download Trails Off-Road. Like this video, subscribe, and share it with your friends, because if you like this video, you're going to love where we go next. So we just got a little bit of an unfortunate development. Glenn broke his frame.
The frame is actually, it's delaminated, it's separated, it's on the brake lines. So this whole piece right here is supposed to be part of the frame. It's supposed to be boxed in. Plan of attack is, it looks like that it isn't brand new. That rip isn't clean, shiny metal. It's actually got some rust on it. So There's a little bit of a good side to that, which means it's probably been like that for at least a couple of trails. So if it survived this far, I can be really careful, go very slow, baby it, and I think we'll be able to get down no problems.